Oh my god, Daniel's doing the camel polo.
Today we are going to the Mehendi ceremony, which is I think when they do the exchanges of rings or put turmeric on someone or do henna on their hands. It's one of those things. We'll get clarity on that a little later. But we are on our way to the venue now. Apparently all of the activities for the wedding are happening in a beautiful place called the Rambagh Palace here in Jaipur. And we're staying at the Jaipur Palace currently. It's been so beautiful. They have treated us so lovely. Everybody's so hospitable and kind. But now it's time to meet up with our friend and get started celebrating the wedding. This one?
Please, come.
Amazing. Namaste.
Come. Rambagh.
Thank you.
It's really nice. They have set this up so perfectly. When you get to the hotel, they even give you a call to let you know to go downstairs. Obviously, our friend texted us, so we went downstairs. But they transfer you to Rambagh Palace. You don't have to worry about going anywhere. What a lucky experience. Like, this has been one of those things in my life that, you know, I had always seen in magazines or seen on TV, but I never imagined that I'd be going to an Indian wedding. So this is just beyond my dreams come true right now. Hello, coming to the wedding, the Mehendi ceremony at 12 o'clock.
Mr. Agrawal's function.
Yes.
Please.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
So we have made it to Rambagh Palace. This is crazy. Apparently this used to be the royal guest house for the emperors back a bajillion years ago. And you feel it. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by these beautiful traditional Indian and Mughal Empire archways. Everybody's dressed so nicely in traditional kurta pajamas and saris. This is amazing. Ceremony, and there is like a bangles demonstration. It almost feels like a carnival. They have games that you could play. They have a popcorn and candy station, a relaxation station, and then an area where I guess everybody goes and dances. And so now he's showing us how he's making the bangles, and apparently the family has tons of gifts that they're giving to the guests so that you can get more matching bangles. So I'm gonna check those out. Is it shapeable yet?
Yes.
Ever made has been made like this?
Yes, like this. Every bangle is made like this. You know, in Rajasthani culture, lakh has a special significance in our culture.
Okay.
Lakh is a sign of good omen.
Really?
That's why on every festival and occasion, lacquer bangles are very auspicious to wear.
Yeah. Wow. How cool is that? That is beautiful.
Thank you.
So then how do you seal them together now?
Sorry?
There's
This is a ring of aluminum, and we use this ring in the bangle for the strength of the bangle.
Okay. Very cool. It melts into the bangle. So from conception to finish, this is what it looks like, guys, for a bangle to be totally finished from start to
Hold
finish.
it like this for 5 minutes, let this be cool down, and then you can wear it.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. What was your name?
Ehtisham.
Hedisham. Annette, nice to meet you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ehtisham.
This is stunning. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
What a cool place. You literally, it's so festive and everything is so colorful.
And granted, the music a few minutes ago was blaring and now it just quieted off. So I'm not quite sure what's happening now, but we're literally just along for the ride.
But everything has been so extravagant. They're like coming around platters and feeding you. Everybody is dressed like they're going to the red carpet.
Yeah.
Veggie croquette.
We are definitely going to eat our way through the next 2 days.
This feels like a dream come true. I feel like I'm walking through like one of my Bollywood movies as a child. This is insane.
And apparently we're about to watch camel polo.
Whatever that is.
I think it's exactly what it sounds like. Camel polo.
I cannot believe this. We're in India.
Right.
Oh my God, Daniel's doing the camel polo.
For the wedding of Kavi and Shivangi, but we are playing camel polo at Rambagh Palace, the Google Garden.
Chaitanya, don't kill my husband.
Managed by the Taj Group of Hotels, the House of Tata. It's one of the best chain of hotels, I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen.
Say hi, Daniel.
I've been associated with the Rambagh Palace for more than... There you go. All in play. Hold their shoulders with your left hand, guys. Hold their shoulder. That's like keeping a balance, alright? I'm not responsible if you fall. Hold the shoulder. Yeah.
Go, Daniel, go!
Come on, come on.
Yeah! Chaitanya! That was awesome, dude! High five! He killed it! It's like he's playing camel polo his whole life.
You were looking like the only novice out there, and he was like, okay, let me
I've got this, I've got this.
That was so cool. Literally, we kind of got thrust into it. I guess they were asking for volunteers to the crowd. I wasn't paying attention, and Chaitanya was like, oh, Daniel, come with me. And I was like, okay. And I just started walking, and I was like, where are we going? What are we doing? And he's like, you're getting on that. And as we're on the field, and I'm like, what are you talking about? That was so cool.
This has been a dream come true. My heart is bursting with love and gratitude. I'm just in disbelief. Like 2 years ago when I was at my job and not thoroughly enjoying my life, I would have never imagined, being in a palace in India, watching my husband play camel polo in a Mehendi ceremony. This life is full of endless possibilities, guys. If you have a dream, chase it, because man, do they come true. We just finished watching all of the dance performances from the groom's family, and I think the bride's family is waiting over on the corner. Daniel and I actually had to learn a dance for tonight. I think it's for the Sangeet ceremony, which you guys will see in the next video. But now we're actually waiting for, I guess, like a Bollywood twin sisters to come and dance for us. It's crazy. I am about to do the Mehendi, which is the henna on your hands, which is what the whole Mehendi ceremony is about. It's when the wife gets all decorated for the wedding. And it's a celebration of colors. There's music and there's happiness and all sorts of amazing things. Except I just shattered this bangle, so I'm a little sad about it. I'm trying to take it off without it digging into my arm, but that kind of hurts. Anywho, time to get my henna done. For the Mehendi, they grab henna and it almost looks like cake icing in a really tiny bag, and they do these really tiny ornate designs on your hand. So here's the before, and soon you'll be seeing the after. The henna feels really cold as it's going down on your hand. It's almost like small tickles, and it's just so cool. They're so talented. Anyway, we'll catch you guys after. I just got my henna done and I love it. Look at how beautiful and intricate this is. It does take about an hour for it to dry, and so I'm gonna wait for the hour to be done and then I'm gonna do the other side. However, guys, we are gonna go ahead and close out this vlog because we wanna enjoy the ceremony and be with the amazing people who made this all happen for us. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for coming and seeing what a traditional Mehendi ceremony on an Indian wedding looks like. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, but I would do for you, but I can't because I don't want to ruin the Mehendi. Make sure that you comment down below what are your favorite Indian wedding traditions. Click the subscribe button, watch the rest of our adventures around the world, and we will see you at the Sangeet wedding ceremony. Bye.